Grant Hill is an American professional basketball executive and former player who is a co-owner of the Atlanta Hawks of the National Basketball Association and a part owner of Orlando City SC of Major League Soccer and Orlando Pride of the National Women's Soccer League. When the time came to choose a college, Hill's mother told the Fox Sports documentary Beyond the Glory that she wanted him to attend Georgetown while his father preferred the University of North Carolina. Hill is the son of former NFL football player Calvin Hill and his wife Janet, a math teacher turned business executive and consultant. He was born in Dallas, Texas and raised in Virginia. He dated actress Jada Pinkett Smith from 1993 to 1995. In Detroit, Michigan in 1996, Hill was introduced to Canadian singer Tamia by Anita Baker. Hill and Tamia married on July 24, 1999. They have two daughters, Mayla Grace Hill, born on January 23, 2002, and Lael Rose Hill, born on August 9, 2007. The family resides in Windermere, Florida. In 1999, Hill received the Golden Plate Award of the American Academy of Achievement. Hill decided to attend Duke University, playing 4 years with the Blue Devils and winning national titles in 1991 and 1992. In 2015, Hill and Tony Rizzler were part of an ownership group that purchased the Atlanta Hawks. In 2023, Hill and his wife Tamia became part owners of MLS Club Orlando City and NWSL Club Orlando Pride. After graduating in 1994, Hill was selected by the Pistons with the 3rd overall pick in the NBA draft. He was the co-winner of the 1995 NBA Rookie of the Year award with Jason Kidd. Early in his NBA career, Hill was widely considered one of the best all-around players in the game, often leading his team in points, rebounds and assists. In his first 6 seasons in the NBA, Hill averaged 21.6 points, 7.9 rebounds and 6.3 assists per game and made the Eastern Conference All-Star team 5 times. A 4-year player at Duke University, Hill was touted as one of the greatest college basketball players ever. In the NBA, he played for the Detroit Pistons, the Orlando Magic, the Phoenix Suns and the Los Angeles Clippers, mostly at the small forward position. Hill is a 7-time NBA All-Star, a 5-time All-NBA selection and a 3-time winner of the NBA Sportsmanship Award. In 2018, he was inducted into the Naismith Basketball Hall of Fame. The 1994 ACC Player of the Year, a 2-time NCAA All-American and a 2-time NCAA champion, Hill is generally considered one of the best ever to play for the Duke Blue Devils. On April 3, 2021, USA Basketball named Hill as the 2021-24 Managing Director of the USA Men's National Team. Hill succeeded Jerry Colangelo as Managing Director after the Tokyo Olympics. On June 1, 2013, Hill announced his retirement from professional basketball after 19 seasons in the NBA. On September 7, 2018, Hill was inducted into the Naismith Basketball Hall of Fame.